Hi there! I'm Droppy, a tiny water droplet. I might be small, but I have a big heart and an even bigger love for adventure. Every day in the ocean is a new and exciting journey for me. I live in the big blue sea, surrounded by the most amazing creatures you could ever imagine. From the tiniest plankton to the largest whales, the ocean is full of life and wonder, and I just love swimming with my friends. We have so much fun exploring the coral reefs, playing in the seaweed, and discovering hidden treasures on the ocean floor. There's always something new to see and do. We play hide and seek with the fishes all the time. The fish are so clever and fast, but we water droplets are pretty good at hiding too. Sometimes we even play tag with the dolphins. They are so quick and agile, it's always a challenge to keep up with them.
One day, Droppy felt a warm tickle. It was the sun. The sun's rays were reaching down into the ocean, warming the water and making everything sparkle. Droppy loved the feeling of the sun's warmth on his tiny droplet body. The sun was so bright and happy. It seemed to be smiling down at Droppy and all his friends in the ocean. The sunlight made the water glisten and shine, creating a magical, shimmering effect that made Droppy feel like he was in a fairy tale. Droppy felt light and bubbly inside. The warmth of the sun filled him with joy and energy. He started to dance and twirl in the water, creating little bubbles that floated up to the surface. His friends joined in, and soon the ocean was filled with dancing, twirling water droplets, all celebrating the beautiful sunny day. As the day went on, Droppy and his friends continued to play and explore. They discovered a hidden cave filled with colorful coral and playful fish. They swam through the seaweed forest, playing tag and hide and seek. They even found a sunken ship, which they pretended was their pirate ship, sailing the seven seas in search of treasure. By the end of the day, Droppy was tired but happy. He had had so much fun with his friends, and he couldn't wait to see what adventures the next day would bring. As the sun set and the ocean grew dark, Droppy found a cozy spot to rest. He closed his eyes, dreaming of all the wonderful things he would do tomorrow. Good night, Droppy. Sweet dreams.
What's happening? I feel myself rising. I'm floating up, up, up. Wow, the sea looks so small from up here.
Don't worry, Droppy. It's me, the sun. You're evaporating. It's like magic. You're turning into a gas called water vapor.
I feel like I'm flying. I'm soaring higher and higher. The sensation is exhilarating, like nothing I've ever experienced before. The world below is getting smaller and smaller, and I can see the vast expanse of the sky stretching out endlessly above me. It's a beautiful sight, with the sun shining brightly and the clouds looking like fluffy cotton candy. Oh, the air is getting cooler, and I'm starting to shiver. The higher I go, the colder it gets. It's like entering a different world, where the warmth of the sun is replaced by a crisp, refreshing chill. I can feel the tiny ice crystals forming on my surface, making me sparkle like a diamond in the sky. But hey, I'm not alone. Look at all these other water droplets up here too. We're all on this incredible journey together, rising higher and higher, carried by the wind. It's comforting to know that I'm part of a community, each droplet with its own story and its own path. Yet we're all connected by this shared experience.
Droppy was surrounded by many other water droplets, all sharing the same surprised expression. They marveled at the beauty of the sky and the wonder of their ascent. Each droplet had a unique sparkle, reflecting the sunlight in a dazzling display of colors. It was a moment of pure magic, where the ordinary became extraordinary. As they floated together in the blue sky, the droplets drifted gracefully, carried by gentle breezes, forming delicate patterns and shapes. They danced and twirled, creating a mesmerizing ballet in the air. It was a serene and peaceful scene, a reminder of the beauty and harmony that can be found in nature. The journey of the water droplets was a testament to the wonders of the natural world, a story of transformation and connection that unfolded high above the earth.
As I get colder, I huddle closer to my new friends. Wow, we made a cloud.
That's right, Droppy. We're all snuggled together, forming a beautiful, fluffy cloud. Look at us floating high in the sky.
Section 5, Riding the Wind. The wind whooshed the cloud across the sky. We sailed over mountains and valleys. I enjoyed the view from up high. I saw farms, cities, and forests below.
Droppy and his friends were on an incredible journey, carried by the wind over a beautiful landscape.
Section 6, down to earth. Soon the cloud became heavy and fat. I felt a wiggle and a jiggle.
It's time to go back down.
Droppy and his friends tumbled out of the cloud as raindrops, ready to continue their adventure on the ground.
Section 7, helping life grow. Droppy landed softly on a sunflower. The morning sun was just beginning to rise, casting a golden hue over the garden. Droppy, a tiny water droplet, felt a sense of purpose as he nestled into the soft, velvety petal of the sunflower. The dew from the night still clung to the petals, making them glisten like jewels in the early light. The sunflower drank Droppy in, feeling refreshed. As Droppy was absorbed, he could feel the sunflower's gratitude. The plant's roots eagerly soaked up the moisture, sending it up through its stem and into its leaves and petals. Droppy could sense the life force within the sunflower growing stronger with each passing moment. It was as if he was becoming a part of something much bigger than himself. Droppy helped the sunflower grow tall and strong. Over the next few days, the sunflower began to stretch towards the sky, its leaves unfurling and its petals opening wide to embrace the sunlight. Droppy felt a deep sense of satisfaction, knowing that he had played a crucial role in this transformation. The once small and delicate flower was now a towering beacon of life and beauty in the garden. "This is fun," thought Droppy. He couldn't help but feel a sense of joy and excitement. Being a water droplet was an adventure, and he loved every moment of it. Droppy knew that his journey was far from over, and he was eager to see where he would go next, and what other lives he could touch and help grow. He saw his friends helping too. All around him, other droplets were busy at work. Some were nourishing the roots of trees, while others were giving life to the smallest of flowers. Each droplet had a unique role to play, and together they created a symphony of growth and renewal. Droppy felt a sense of camaraderie with his fellow droplets, knowing that they were all part of a greater mission. Some quenched the thirst of thirsty animals. Droppy watched as a group of deer approached a small pond, their eyes bright with anticipation. The water droplets in the pond rippled with excitement, ready to provide the hydration the animals so desperately needed. As the deer bent down to drink, Droppy could see the relief and gratitude in their eyes. It was a beautiful reminder of the interconnectedness of all living things. Others filled rivers and streams. Droppy imagined the journey of his fellow droplets as they flowed through rivers and streams, bringing life to every corner of the land. They carved out valleys, nourished forests, and created habitats for countless creatures. The rivers and streams were like the veins of the earth, pulsing with the lifeblood that sustained all living things.
As Droppy and his friends spread across the land, they brought life and vitality to everything they touched. The world was a tapestry of interconnected lives, each one dependent on the other. Droppy felt a profound sense of fulfillment, knowing that he was part of this intricate web of life. Every drop of water, every plant, every animal, and every human being was connected in a delicate balance. And in his own small way, Droppy was helping to keep that balance, ensuring that life continued to grow and thrive.
Section 8, Rivers and Lakes. Droppy flowed in a river, giggling with his friends. They rushed over rocks and splashed in waterfalls. They reached a lake where they rested for a while.
"Welcome to my home," said the river. "Here we gather to nourish the land and bring joy to all who visit."
Section 9, Back to the Sea, Our Home. Finally, the river carried Droppy back to the sea. He was home. Droppy was happy to be back, but he missed his cloud friends.
"Don't worry, Droppy," said a wise old wave. "You'll evaporate again soon. It's all part of the water cycle."
Section 10, Droppy's Plea. Droppy learned something important on his journey. Water is precious. It gives life to everything on Earth. We need to save water, Droppy thought. Every drop counts.
What can you do to save water today? If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more educational and fun content like this. We carefully craft each educational video to ensure it's not only fun and engaging, but also promotes positive values and critical thinking skills. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next adventure.